name is Claire Nolan and I'm CEO of Tomorrow's Medicines Limited. We're based at the Innovation Centre, Daresbury, SciTech, and also at the BioHub at Alderley Park. Tomorrow's Medicines is a digital patient recruitment company, and we assist clinical trial sites and clinical trial sponsors to help them access more of the right patients for their clinical trials. We have a technology-enabled solution, and we deliver it through a patient-centric platform called yourtreatmentchoices.com. We collaborated with the university to do some data extraction from social media. So we developed some algorithms that would enable us to extract data. And the aim of doing the data extraction was to see if we could identify patients with specific conditions in specific locations who may ultimately be interested in participating in a clinical trial.
My name is Vatsala Nanlo, and I'm a researcher in the School of Computing and Communications. And I've done my master's degree and PhD degree here at the Lancaster University. And my PhD was in the area of distributed systems, where I had to tackle the interoperability problem between different systems. So in my PhD, I had to tackle with the meaning of data that is being carried by distributed systems to provide communication. So in Tomorrow's Medicine project, they were trying to do data mining on social media websites, where you have to tackle how to understand the meaning of information that's being posted on Facebook or Twitter. So it was a bit in my line of interest, and I was also interested in learning about data mining techniques and see how this could help me on the long run in my own research interests. They wanted to reach out to people from social media websites and offer them clinical trial procedures, because normally in a conventional way you have to wait for people to contact you and they register for these procedures. So they didn't know that that could be feasible. So they wanted Lancaster University to embark on this project and provide a proof of concept. If we can come up with a solution telling them, yes, you can do that, or no, you can't do this. So that's how we collaborated with them.
There were 4 people involved and there were 4 stages to the project. The first one was to do the data extraction itself, and it took quite a lot of iterations of doing that extraction of the data to find out what was the best approach. And then the second stage was to configure a database for unstructured data to store the data we'd extracted. And then the step 3 was a most crucial step, and that involved advanced querying and search and analysis of the data. And then they developed Vatsala wrote some scripts so that we could distinguish between patients and those who are not patients. And then the 4th and final step was configuring a way for us to actually view that data, that unstructured data. The main specific outcome was that it has enabled Tomorrow's Medicines to expand its business offering from what it was. So together with our screening algorithms, our in-house screening algorithms, it's enabled us to provide reach out to patients using targeted social media marketing and provide a full-service digital patient recruitment solution to clinical trial sponsors and sites. We've talked about moving on to do the next stage and working on a bigger, longer project together based on the research and the project we've done so far, and that's a bigger opportunity. So it's a great foundation, and it was a very, very good collaboration.